Hi, it's Janet and Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and we are in Naha, Okinawa today. Naha, Okinawa, and the ship is a couple blocks over that way. This is Kokusai Street. This is like the main tourist shopping street. We went on a tour earlier and the guide said, well, it's mostly for tourists. It's tourist stuff, but it's restaurants and gift shops and lots of candy shops and cracker cookie shops. Lots of shops, right? There was even an A&W root beer place back there. But see, Steakhouse 88. A lot of signs that I can't read, and a lot of pineapple sunglasses or hearts. But let's look at one of these places, see how there's just like all sorts of weird stuff. I'm gonna call it weird. Things I've never seen before, unusual, new to me. But phone cases, t-shirts. Hi.
What do you want t-shirts?
T-shirts. Ooh, let me go this way. Spam. You gotta have your spam. Beer nuts, I guess. Anyway, let's go up the street more. Look, it's Janet. So, Okashigoten. Boonarahoo's. Somebody under construction here. Oh, thank heaven for a 7-Eleven under construction. Ice cream time. That's right. Hey, look, Spam. Oh, it's a purse. It's a it's a Spam purse. And this is like the symbol of Naha, Okinawa, or Okinawa in general. Hey, the same price we paid, I think.
You paid $4.95.
Yeah, okay. Mine are better. Anyway, we bought some. A little set of lions. That's red. Should we cross? Anyway. Oh, motorcycle. Oh, they crossed. So we're gonna go up the street. It's like several blocks wide. It goes down there about 4 or 5 blocks. It goes up here another 5 or 6, I think. We drove down it on the tour bus. And now I have no idea what that is. Can you see that? Hi! Now you're famous. Oh, here it is. Whatever it is. Oh no, that's just cookies or something. Whoops. There's a lot of little ledges and steps and things, so be careful when you're walking around here. Be careful that you don't leave Janet behind. So the traffic signals make all sorts of sounds. Hear that? Sound like birds, sort of. Anyway, I guess they ride bicycles on the sidewalk here. Orion is the local beer. Spam is the local delicacy. See? Spam, spam, spam. Lawson is like a 7-Eleven. And there's a tile factory, it says. Look at these things. They like to make a bang into a tree. It smells like soap. I wonder if tile is soap? Incense? These say coasters. But that's a Roma stone. Roma stone. Spam. All you can drink. Oh, look at dogs. Dogs. Are those dog shirts then? Dog clothes? And look at this stuff. It's like a open face sushi sandwich or something. Oh. It smells like cigarettes down there. Too bad you can't smell. I mean, a lot of these places have a certain smell coming out of them. Not bad, except that place that smelled like cigarettes. Chill out. Oh, or cigars. This is what it was. So this is, I don't know, maybe several stores. There's like a supermarket right there, see that? But then, see how many levels there are? Let's take a quick look into it. There's a couple of these shopping areas. And we're going to go down one of them. And you can just experience it along with me and Janet. Postcards. So phone cases, keychains, sunglasses. No advertising. I think this is a game. You throw a little ball or shoot pins down. And that's the store we were just in. You know, the multi-level thing. And I guess it goes off that way. That's a liquor store, it looks like. Shirts, underwear. Socks. Candy. Some of these candy places. Hey, Mickey Mouse. Come to Okinawa. Please don't go up to this stand. Okay? I won't. But I will do that. Please don't go up to this stand. I guess that meant stay back. As you can see, it turns and keeps on going. Right? Ice cream. This is drawing a crowd. Another street going that way. Donuts. Pastries. Potato thing. Purple potato. So right across roads. And well, they're shopping that way. And they're shopping that way. And they're shopping that way. But this is the Makishi Public Market. And that's where we want to go. So let's go inside. No, I wish you could smell this. GoPro. Flagging you?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, how are you?
I'm fabulous. Oh, look how pretty.
Beautiful.
I saw that guy snorkeling. I've got crabs. Oh, look at that. That's a hermit crab? What the heck? Look at this stuff. Hi guys. Pufferfish? Goonex. So from Naha, Okinawa.
I'm Janet,
And I'm Garrett.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.